Welcome to this guided meditation session brought to you by Zen Vibration Nation. Today, we will embark on a journey towards tranquility, focusing on reducing stress and finding inner peace. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and allow yourself to settle into this moment. Take a deep breath in, and now exhale slowly. Feel the air moving through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. With each breath, imagine stress and tension leaving your body, melting away into the ether. As you continue to breathe deeply, picture yourself in a serene place. It could be a lush forest, a quiet beach, or a cozy room. Visualize this place in vivid detail. The colors, the sounds, the scents. This is your safe haven, a place where stress cannot reach you. In this tranquil space, notice a gentle light surrounding you. This light represents calmness and clarity. With each breath, feel this light growing brighter, filling you with peace and relaxation. Now, let's focus on releasing the physical manifestations of stress. We'll start at the top of your head and work our way down. Notice any tension in your forehead and scalp. As you breathe out, let that tension dissolve. Feel your eyebrows and eyes relaxing. Let go of the tightness in your cheeks, your jaw, unclenching your teeth. Move your attention to your neck and shoulders. Often, we carry a lot of stress in these areas. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine all the stress and strain flowing out of your shoulders, down your arms, and out of your fingertips. Continue this process down your body. Breathe into any areas of tension in your chest, your back, your stomach. With each exhale, release that tension. Let it go completely. Feel the relaxation spreading to your hips, your thighs, all the way down to your feet. Remember, if your mind starts to wander, that's okay. It's natural. Gently guide your focus back to your breath, back to my voice. You are here, in this moment, safe and relaxed. Take a few more deep, cleansing breaths. With each inhale, draw in peace and calm. With each exhale, release any remaining stress. Feel your body becoming lighter, more relaxed. As this segment of our meditation draws to a close, remember that this peaceful, relaxed state is always within you. You can return to it any time you need. For now, continue to breathe slowly, focusing on the sensation of calmness enveloping you. As we continue our journey in this guided meditation, let your awareness deepen. You are in a state of complete relaxation, embraced by a sense of peace. Imagine now that you are walking down a tranquil path in your serene place. With each step, feel the connection to the earth beneath you. Notice how each step further grounds you, making you feel more centered and balanced. As you walk, observe the beauty of your surroundings. Maybe there are trees with leaves gently rustling in the breeze, or waves softly lapping on the shore. Each element of this landscape is a reminder of the world's natural rhythm, a rhythm that you are a part of. Take a moment to stop and breathe in this environment. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, clean air. Exhale slowly, releasing any residual stress. Feel how each breath connects you more deeply with your surroundings. Now, let's shift our focus to mindfulness. Pay attention to your senses. What do you hear? What do you smell? What do you feel? By fully immersing yourself in these sensations, you become more present, more grounded in the now. It's time to use the power of affirmations. Repeat these phrases silently to yourself. I am at peace. I release stress with each breath. I am grounded and centered. I am in harmony with myself and the world. Feel the truth in these words. Let them resonate within you, reinforcing your sense of calm and relaxation. As we move forward, Visualize a stream of light flowing from the top of your head down to your feet. This light represents your inner strength and resilience. It washes over you, soothing and healing. With its touch, stress dissipates, leaving only tranquility. Now, let's engage in a brief period of silence. During this time, allow your mind to rest. If thoughts come, acknowledge them, and then gently let them go, returning to the silence. Gently bring your attention back to my voice. Remember, you have the power to access this state of calm and peace whenever you need. Your breath is a tool that can bring you back to this moment of relaxation and clarity. As we near the end of this segment, take a few more deep breaths. Feel the air entering and leaving your body, refreshing and renewing you. Stay in this peaceful state, embraced by a sense of calm and serenity. You are doing wonderfully. As we enter the final stage of our meditation, take a moment to appreciate the peace you've cultivated. You've journeyed inward to a place of serenity and relaxation. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Imagine yourself slowly walking back along the path in your serene place. With each step, feel a gentle awakening in your body and mind, a rejuvenation of your spirit. As you walk, reflect on the affirmations we embraced. Carry these feelings of peace and calm with you as you move through your day. Remember, you have the power to return to this state of relaxation whenever you need. Now, let's gently awaken the body. Start by wiggling your fingers and toes. Feel the energy returning to your limbs. Slowly roll your shoulders, releasing any remaining tension. Stretch your arms and legs if you feel like it, awakening every part of your body with gentle, loving awareness. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh energy. As you exhale, open your eyes slowly, acclimating to your surroundings. Notice how you feel, perhaps lighter, more at peace, and less burdened by stress. Let's conclude our meditation with a final grounding exercise. Place your hands over your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, a reminder of your presence in this world, of your connection to life. Say to yourself, I am calm, I am at peace, I am grounded. As you move forward from this meditation, allow the sense of tranquility you've found here to infuse your day. You've taken a significant step in managing stress and nurturing your well-being. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation journey. Remember, Vibration Nation is here to support you on your path to inner peace and stress reduction. May you carry the calmness and clarity you found here into every aspect of your life. Take one more deep breath, savoring this moment of complete relaxation. And when you're ready, gently rise, stepping into your day with renewed energy and a peaceful heart.